Hey there, fellows. We're up to something interesting in this one. I honestly don't have anything to show you at the moment, because we've yet to go out to look for what we need. We don't know how this will go down, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, so this video, or this clip, has been shown to us multiple times. Here it is. Props to the Indians for their ingenuity. And we have gotten plenty of suggestions to try what they're doing. From every source you can imagine. And so let's try it out then. If you remember, we did try to set up a steam-powered car, but that had a conventional automotive engine. Not a cylinder, but an ordinary engine. So let's try slapping something like that together. A similar engine to what we just saw. If we can even make it work. I suggest we start by setting it up. If it works, we'll carry on. If not, well, what's the point then? And so let's try making one of those, attempt to start it. And from there, we might even try fitting it to a vehicle. Okay, let's do this. DIY steam engine first drive. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Okay, so check this out. That's our setup. I mean, you'd think that there's nothing complicated to it, but it was actually more challenging than you'd think. So it works. You feed it air and it begins to rotate. But you see, here's the problem. We can somewhat control the rotational speed by regulating the pressure, but then that's not steam, that's compressed air. And so this is going to work somewhat differently. Yeah, I expect this to work differently when we're using steam. And what's really interesting is that when you bring the pressure up, when you feed more air into that machine, that doesn't change the revs all that much. And I don't like that. Over there we are preparing a container. We will be heating up some water, generating steam, and feeding it into this. Yeah, and we'll see what this does. Okay, let's try this on steam. Okay, so here's what's up. Inside this bottle we've got some water. It's on a stovetop. Steam, a thermometer, pressure. We've got a hose hooked up to that bottle. We've already tried firing it up, it does. Though you do got water spraying. It's as if it cools off, forms condensation, which results in interesting stuff occurring. Is it gonna start on its own? If only it weren't spewing water. It's actually quite a bit more stable than on the compressed air. So as soon as it expels the water... What a fun contraption, that steam engine. Anyway, so now that it works... But I do need to mention something. You see, the output on this engine is quite lacking. I mean, you can easily keep it from rotating by just holding it. Okay, I'm gonna allow the pressure to build up. There's not a whole lot of evaporation occurring. Any buildup there is quickly dissipates. Anyway, I got another suggestion. We got another cylinder like this one, so why not set up a two-cylinder? And synchronize them in such a way so as they work with each other. They'll be taking turns pushing, and that should make this engine more effective. So let's fit another cylinder and see what that does for us. Time to start remembering physics class. Check this out, guys. I think it's a pretty cool design. A lovely V-shaped two-cylinder. It's not running on steam yet. We're testing it on compressed air, but it does seem to work. You're holding it as if it's about to fly into the air. Yeah, so as you can see, it's happily rotating. Everything is looking fairly good. I mean, that's not a whole lot of revs, but now it's got some torque. It's got much more output now. Holding it with your hand, I can't say it's too hard to do, but it's not easy either. And so now that it works, we need to do what? Fit it to some kind of vehicle, of course. And here's the machine we've made. It's like an actual steam car at this point. We have, of course, done it before. We actually converted a conventional car engine to run on steam. But this is based on a completely different principle. We're running cylinders. Yeah, who knows how this is even gonna work. We tried on compressed air, it did move, but steam is going to behave in a completely different manner. But then this is an experiment, so let's heat up the furnace, boil some water, and I mean get it really hot, so that the overheated steam creates a lot of pressure. We got a manometer, we also set up a relief valve just in case. I mean, water is going to expand by many times, so... But we've taken all of the precautions, so let's heat up the boiler and see how this thing drives. Okay, so the apparatus has gotten nice and hot, but we've burned a lot of coal. That's not even a huge container, but this took a while. And now we're good, we've got a lot of pressure. Are you keeping track? 6 kilos, holy cow. In a locomotive, I think it's about the same, if not many times more. Who even knows? All right, we doing this? Come on, go for it.
О, ну-ка. Я толкну.
I'll even give it a slight push.
О, пошло.
Okay, look at him go.
Давай, 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 давай.
Come on, let me help you out a little bit.
Ускорение придать. О. Нормально идет.
We're getting somewhere.
Это парит как
It's steaming like an actual locomotive.
И вот видно в нас
And you can tell that,
один
from the looks of it, one of the valves is getting blocked off.
пошло.
Okay, there we go.
Второе такое ощущение, что
While the other one seems to be steaming constantly.
постоянно. Но смысл-то не в этом. Смысл в том, что она двигается.
But the important thing is that the machine is moving,
И делает она
under its very own power.
Блин, не, круто.
That is just terrific.
Круто.
And this all began with,
Хотели проверить вообще.
we just wanted to see if it would work in the first place. But ultimately we were able to fit it to, well, it is a small cart, but it's in there, the thing is driving under its own power, and that is just great.
Ну, давай.
Come on now, come on.
Не, круто.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Вот такой вот у нас.
Yeah, there's the steam cart we've set up.
Что-то это.
Can you help us out, guys?
Где его?
The gearbox needs a tune-up.
Это плохо.
Add some water. It's not shifting well.
О, попер.
Look at him go.
Ну что, смотрите, вот так
So check this out, guys.
получилось.
We have made an interesting device here.
Взяли её. Да я раз спокойно
We've brought the rear end up,
работает.
and it's happy to make the wheels rotate. It's all looking good. So 2 cylinders, I mean, this all began with us simply trying to test a concept.
Смотрите, проверить. На самом деле,
Now, I did feel as if we might have been
так скажем, ну,
fooled here,
так.
which happens,
А проверили.
but this actually works. And we were able to stick the engine into this cart,
Поставить вот на так,
and it even drove.
и она поехала.
What's really cool is that the thing actually drives.
Превосходно.
I really like the fact that it all worked out like this.
Она едет. Сейчас вот как раз мы
And during the test drive, we were able to identify a few engineering errors,
недочеты, что сделали. Что бы мы сделали?
things we might do differently next time to make this move more confidently.
Поехал лучше, но в любом случае.
But at the end of the day, this is where we're at with the first attempt.
Так оно и получилось.
The important thing is that this works.
Работает. Поэтому
And that's all I got for you. Watch us, subscribe, send in your suggestions, comment, give us a big thumbs up.
на этом все. Так что всем
That's it for this video. Catch you later.
надеюсь, меня хоть маленько было
Hopefully you were able to see and hear me at least a tiny bit.